Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Accra, Ghana, on the first leg of his 5-nation visit. This is the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Ghana in over 3 decades. In a special gesture, Ghana President John Dramani Mahama came to airport to receive PM Modi. He was welcomed at the airport with the chants of Hare Rama Hare Krishna by a group of young children.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
PM Modi also met Ghana Vice President Professor Nana Jane Opoku Chemahang and later held delegation-level talks with President John Dramani Mahama. President Mahama conferred Ghana's second highest civilian honor, the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, on Prime Minister Modi. PM called it an immense pride and honor and dedicated the award to the people of India.
Ghana के राष्ट्रीय अवार्ड, the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana से सम्मानित किया जाना मेरे लिए अत्यंत गर्व और सम्मान की बात है। मैं राष्ट्रपति महामा जी, गाना सरकार और गाना के लोगों का हृदय से आभार प्रकट करता हूं। मैं इस सम्मान को 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की ओर से विनम्रता के साथ स्वीकार करता हूं।
India and Ghana elevated their ties to comprehensive partnership. PM Modi said India is not just a partner but a co-traveler in Ghana's journey of nation building. Both countries agreed to double bilateral trade in 5 years. They also signed 4 key agreements covering cultural exchange, traditional medicine, standardization, and joint commission. India offered to help Ghana develop digital payment system using its UPI-based model and strengthen digital public infrastructure. Indian companies would collaborate with Ghana to explore and mine critical minerals, thereby boosting industrial development and enhancing supply chain resilience. India and Ghana also agreed to increase defense cooperation in training, cybersecurity, maritime security, and defense supplies under the theme Security through Solidarity.
पश्चिम एशिया और यूरोप में चल रहे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को लेकर हम दोनों ने चिंता व्यक्त की है। इनका नकारात्मक प्रभाव केवल उस क्षेत्र तक सीमित नहीं है। हम दोनों मानते हैं कि यह युद्ध का युग नहीं है। संवाद से समाधान और स्थिरता की बहाली ये मानवता की पुकार है।
PM Modi said both nations view terrorism as the enemy of humanity and will strengthen counter-terrorism cooperation. PM Modi and President Mahama called for diplomatic solutions to global conflicts. Modi said this is not the era of war, we must resolve issues through dialogue and diplomacy. Both leaders reaffirmed their commitment to the global south. PM Modi also praised the African Union's permanent G20 membership, calling it a proud achievement under India's G20 presidency.